Today I'm going to make garlic Parmesan chicken wings right out of the recipe book that came with my new Cosori air fryer. So the first step is to preheat this. This says preheat to 380. So let me go down to 380, press play. Alright, it's going to preheat for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to mix together my garlic Parmesan mix for the chicken wings. I got 1.5 pounds of chicken wings here, thawed out. This says to mix all of my ingredients in a bowl, but I think I'm going to put them in a bag. Kind of like a homemade shake and bake thing, you know? Can you see this alright? Here. I'll follow the recipe. The recipe says 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which I happen to have. I don't know why. I don't know if I ever used that before. Maybe for corn fritters. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 4 tablespoons Parmesan grated cheese, which I usually have around. 4 tablespoons of that. I'm putting it in a bag, remember? Here, let's pour this into here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Oh yeah. I like that. A little extra. Salt and pepper to taste. How much pepper and salt you want? Not that much, huh? That's pepper. That's salt. That could be enough. If not, we'll make more. So I'm gonna shake a leg in the bag, like shake and bake. I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna press the chicken button. Oh, it's gonna be good. You preheated yet? Almost. There's less than a minute remaining for our warm up. Take a piece of chicken wing. See? Put it in the bag. Shake it up. Yeah, nice light coating. Okay. Okay. Now you beep. It's gonna be good. Well, I hope they look like that. Do you? Garlic Parmesan chicken wings. Whoa. Well, I wanted to tell you to check the link below for Cosori's Facebook page. They're having a contest to give air fryer away. There's also a discount code down there. Okay? Come on, that's a long minute. I'll remind you again to check Cosori's Facebook page. Okay, that's warm. I'm gonna spray the inside with a cooking spray. I used this a few times already. Real good cleanup, as you might expect. I don't know if these, I think there's all fit. I think I got 12 or 14 of these here. Look at that. See it? Where do you see it next? Put that in there. Shake them up. Homemade shake and bake. I'm gonna eat these. This is my brunch. Super Bowl snack. Midnight snack. I'll keep shaking these in here, and I'll come back and show you when I'm all done. All right? Pretty easy. That's about the last one I'm going to fit in here. Let me count, see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. 11 big ones. All right. Where do you see them next? Close the drawer. Turn it on. Press the chicken button. Press play. 380 for 25 minutes. I can't wait. I'm going to shake them halfway through. This has a shake reminder on it too. Gonna be fun. Delicious. The time is about halfway up. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, look at it. Can you imagine how good they smell right now? I'm not gonna shake them. I'm just gonna turn them over because I want to still get them by themselves. You know, I don't want them touching each other if possible. Yeah, they're gonna be good. Garlic Parmesan. Gotta go another 12 minutes. Okay. And there we go. Be back. 3 minutes left. I didn't peek in there yet. I don't know if these lights look like they're flickering, but they're not in person. They might show up like that on the camera. It sure smells good. Smells like toasted garlic cheese. 2 minutes. All right. Oh, good. Can you hear them sizzle? Look. I have a paper plate. That's good enough for me right now. What do you think? I made them myself. What I got on the side? Got some blue cheese. Dip them in there if you want. You can put some hot sauce on here right now. Or you could have put hot sauce on this when you flipped them around halfway through. Oh, that's a lot. That's going to be a good breakfast. That's perfect. Perfect setting with the Cosori. Put the drawer back in. Let them cool off a little bit. The recipe book also says, well, look, it did come out similar, right? Crunchy. The recipe book says sprinkle with the leftover Parmesan and garlic cheese mix, but I wouldn't do that because I had raw chicken in that bag, remember? But I could sprinkle them with some Parmesan. Sprinkle them up. Oh, yeah! Beautiful. Let me take a bite. I'll take that one. That's so good. I'm going to eat these all. Don't forget to click on that link down there for Cosori's Facebook page. Win yourself one of these. And also there's a 10% off discount code in the description for this model and one smaller model. Oh, it's so good. You gotta try it. Before I let you go, I'm gonna dip one in blue cheese for you. Okay. One bite. Ooh! And so tender and crunchy and delicious. Oh. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Check out the new Cosori. It's beautiful. It's great. I love it. Talk to you later. Garlic Parmesan Chicken Wings.